In the name of Allah the Beneficent, the Merciful, today in the morning spoken English class, we're going to have some more contractions. It's contractions and reductions simultaneously. We'll have some contractions at the beginning, and then afterwards we'll have some reductions as well. So they are being recorded here. Are you ready for the class?
Yes.
All right. So let's get started. I'm going to show you some reductions and contractions written on the whiteboard. Here is hairs. Here is hairs. There is there's. Very good. There are. There are. There will be. There will be. That is. That's. And don't know. To know. And because. Take it. Or meet you. Or used to. So these are some very, very valuable words which you're going to do the practice of in the class. आइए जरा there is को पहले here is को देखती हैं. Here is hairs. For example, you may here's a copy of my CNIC. Here's a copy of my CNIC. Now let's get started. Let's take some more examples. यहाँ मेरे CNIC copy है.
Here's my passport.
Here's my passport.
Here's the calm place in the chaos.
Here's the calm place in the chaos. Oh, what a literary sentence, eh? My dear friend, hello, excuse me. All right, next one, please.
Here's a story full of adventure.
Here's a story full of adventure. Excellent.
Here's a new chance to explore.
Here's a new chance to explore. Excellent sentences. Very good. Now the next one is there's. Now my sentence is there's someone at the door. दरवाजे पे कोई है. अब हम there's का इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब आप किसी को कोई presence की बात करते हैं, availability की बात करते हैं, मौजूदगी की बात करते हैं. हम एक separate lecture रखेंगे there's के हवाले से, लेकिन this is the part of the contraction today. So there's कोई एक चीज मौजूद है. जी.
There's no picture in this book.
There's no picture in this book. इस किताब में कोई तस्वीर नहीं है. There's मौजूद नहीं है.
There is no chocolate in the box.
There's no chocolate in the box.
There's no space for car parking.
There's no space for the car parking in the building.
There's raining outside.
There's raining outside. Excellent sentences. And there is the next sentence is the next contraction is there are friends in the park. There are मौजूद हैं, ज्यादा चीजें मौजूद हैं. There are friends in the park. Park में दोस्त मौजूद हैं. Yes, please.
There are many cafes and restaurants in my city.
There are many cafes and restaurants in my city.
There are only 5 weeks until my birthday.
There are only 5 weeks until my birthday.
There are
And in advance, happy birthday. Right.
There are 200 rooms in this building.
There are 200 rooms in Buckingham Palace. All right.
There are 54 countries in Africa.
There are 54 countries in Africa. Excellent. There are ज़्यादा चीजें मौजूद हैं. All right. ज़्यादा लोग मौजूद हैं. Right. मौजूदगी ज़्यादा की हो तो there are, एक की हो तो there's. There's एक चीज मौजूद है और there are ज़्यादा मौजूद है. Yes, please.
There will be a new computer.
Now there will be. Now let's go back and just see the next contraction. That's there will be. There will be a new car at home tomorrow. मौजूद होगी. There will be एक या ज्यादा चीजें मौजूद होगी. आप उसके लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. There will be a new car at home tomorrow. कल घर में एक नई गाड़ी मौजूद होगी.
They will be visiting my house tomorrow.
There will be.
Visiting my house tomorrow.
I don't understand that.
They will be visiting my house.
They will be visiting. अब तो they will be visiting हो गया ना. तो हम we are talking about there will be. That's a different structure altogether. जी. Excellent. Sorry.
There will be something that I can't.
There will be fun in the party.
There will be something for everyone.
There will be something for everyone. हर एक के लिए कुछ ना कुछ होगा.
There will be an excellent party in this weekend.
Excellent party this weekend. Girls have given excellent sentences. A lot of clapping for them, please. Now it's a turn of the boys, and your structure is going to be about that.